Hi, this is Paul from the Old Reel Collectors Association. What I have today is a Shakespeare Professional. It's an early one. The foot says it is the 1922 model. It came to me from Orca member Greg McGaw, and I offered to clean it up and try and fix it for him. So the jeweled end caps have been replaced because the ones that came with it were mismatched. The grasps were deteriorating, so I replaced it with a new old stock Shakespeare grasp that I had, and it's from maybe 20 years later, so it's not exactly the same as the one that should be on there, but it fits fine. It works okay. The reel works great. I mean, it spins nicely. There's a clicker, and there's a drag here as well. So if I put it into this position, it does apply drag, and if I take it off, it spins fine. Actually, there's 4 detents to the drag control. So what I did is I will show you the work that it was done here on the spacer. So here's the spacer the way it's supposed to be. This area here is for the thumb control for the drag. So the original part starts around here and it went down to here. This was broken. And then I took a similar looking spacer that was provided to me by Ed Bingle of Rod's One Vintage Fishing Reel Parts. And so it was the same style of spacer, same material, but 0.2 inches in diameter bigger, and of course the holes didn't line up. You can see here's one here. So what I did is I cut segments so that I could match the edge to make it look like it was one that fits. And then I used the Orca technique of grinding some of this material, mixing it with epoxy, and gluing it together so that while there are seams, they're hardly noticeable unless you're really looking for them, and it's pretty sturdy. I could actually take this reel fishing right now. Anyhow, that's a little project, and more of a repair than a restoration, but I had fun doing it, and I thought I'd share it with you.